everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another Sephora perfume sampler breakdown video. So this is the set that I'm going to be reviewing today. So in this one you have 17 different fragrances to choose from. There are 11 fragrances that are a higher value, there are 2 that are an equivalent value, and then there are 4 fragrances that are actually a lower value. So the cost of this set is $65 for these 17 fragrance samples. So the first fragrance in this set is the Atelier Cologne Vanille and Sensei Cologne Absolute Pure Perfume. This one is redeemable for the 1 fluid ounce size, and the value of this one is $85. Next is Chloe Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1 ounce, and this one is also valued at $85. Next is Clean Reserve Citron Fig Eau de Parfum Spray. This one is for the 3.4 ounce, and it's valued at $85. Again, the highest value, and it is also the largest size. Next is Dolce Gabbana Light Blue Intense. This one is for the 0.8 fluid ounce. This one is valued at $63, and this one is the smallest size to redeem for, and it's also a lower value since the kit cost $65 and this one is redeemable for $63. Next is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Amethyst Eau de Parfum. This one is redeemable for the 1 ounce and it is valued at $68, a higher value. Next is the Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gioia Eau de Parfum. This one is redeemable for the 1 ounce and the value of this one is $50. So this one is actually the lowest value of the set, and it's also a lower value because the set is $65 and this one you're only getting $50. Next is the Gucci Bamboo Eau de Toilette. This one I think might have been mislabeled because I couldn't find the correct size. It says it's listed for the 1 ounce, but I don't believe they sell the 1 ounce, but it is valued at about $82, so that one is a higher value. The next 2 are both by Kat Von D. The first one is the Saint perfume, and then the second one is the Sinner perfume. They are both for the 1 ounce, and they're both valued at $65, so that is an equivalent value for the $65 kit price. Next is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Eau de Toilette. This is for the 1.7 ounce, and it's valued at $84. Next is Nest Citrine Eau de Parfum for the 1.7 ounce. This one is valued at $72, a higher value. Next is Stella McCartney Stella Eau de Parfum Spray. This is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $52, a lower value. Next is the Tocca Florence Eau de Parfum for the 1.7 ounce. This one is valued at $72. Next is Tom Ford Black Orchid. This is the 1 ounce, and it's valued at $84, a higher value. Next is Tory Burch. This one is for the 1 ounce, and it's valued at $72. Next is Versace Bright Crystal. This one is for the 1 ounce, and the value of that is $57, which is a lower value. And finally is the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium Eau de Parfum for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $69, a higher value. So here is a chart showing all of the perfumes in this set. The higher value colognes are denoted with green, the equivalent value are denoted with yellow, and the lower values are denoted with red color. And they are also marked with the highest values, lowest values, largest size, and smallest size. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.